Hello students, standard 6. Now exams are going on, so today we are not going to revision of a particular chapter, but the general revision of like 1 mark questions and so on. So it will regarding the whole syllabus. So whatever type of question can be asked, that you will get idea. So you can have the practice of that type of questions. First one, 38572, written as rounded off by nearest tens is blank. So now here, as you know, nearest tens. When you want the nearest 10, what is the answer? For the nearest tens, you have to check the last 2 digits. Especially the digit in the tens place. If it is 5 or more than 5, I mean the last digit, 5 or more than the 5, then 1 added, otherwise put 0. So here answer will be 38570. Because the last digit is 2, which is less than 5. If it is greater than 5, you have to write down 80, but here it is less than 5. 95687, written as by nearest 100 is. Now nearest 100, for that you have to check the last 2 digits. If it is 50 or more than 50, you add 1, otherwise you put 0. So here your answer will be 95. Now this digit is more than 5, so you have to add 1 here. So 95700, 95,700. That like that you can write down the five, 6, 4, 8, 9 is rounded off to nearest 1000 is. So now for nearest 1000, we have to check the last 3 digits, especially the 3rd digit from the right. If it is 5 or more than 5, add 1, otherwise all 3 will be 0. Here you can see that it is 4, the 3rd digit. Therefore all the 3 will be 0. So answer will be 56,000. But if it is nearest to 10, what will you write down? You will write down 56,490. And if it is nearest 100, it will be 56,500. So if there is some like rounded off, then you have to be careful, read whatever is the nearest 10 or nearest 100 or nearest 1000, that you have to remember properly. Then let's do some other ones. The 3-digit number formed by the digits 0, 7, 6 such that 7 is in the units place is blank. Now 7 must be in the units place, means at the last. You have remaining 0 and 6. You have two alternatives. Either you can write down 067 or you can write down 607. But if you write down 067, we will never write 0 in the beginning, because otherwise it will be only 2-digit value. So the answer will be 607 only. So only because 7 is in the unit place, then you have to write down like that. Next one. The smallest 4-digit number formed by digits 7, 3, 0, 5 is. So now when you use the 4 digits given and you have to make the smallest number, then generally what we do, we take the smallest digit first, then the greater one and greatest one. But here smallest number is 0. If you start with 0, it will be only 3-digit number. So 0 will be placed at the second place. So first we have to write down 3, then 0, and then other numbers, means 3057, and like that. Next we write the smallest fraction among 9 upon 12, 9 upon 15, 9 upon 6, 9 upon 25 is blank. So when here you can see that they are not like fractions because their denominators are not equal. If the denominators are equal, we can easily find out. But here numerators are equal. When numerators are equal, then you have to think other way. Means the denominator who is largest is the smaller number, and the larger and the smaller denominator will be the biggest. So here, which is the smallest? 9 upon 25. So answer is 9 upon 25. That is the smallest number, and biggest number will be 9 upon 6. The largest fraction among 3 upon 15, 7 upon 15, 2 upon 15, 11 upon 15 is blank. So now you can see that they have the same denominator. When the denominators are same, it is easier to check which number is smaller. The numerator with smaller number is smaller, bigger is bigger. So here we have to find the largest. So just check which numerator is the largest. 11. So that 11 upon 15 is the answer. So 11 upon 15 is the largest of all these numbers. The place value of 7 in 58.732 is blank. Now we learn the decimal fractions. In decimals, the number after the decimal point to the right, it's decreasing by the tenth, means divide by 10. So first place is tenths and the place value will be 7 upon 10. The place value of 6 in 952.436 is, here you can see that 6 is, which is this place, tenths place, hundredths place, and that is thousandths place. So you don't have to write down the place, but place value. So 6 upon 1000. So be careful, it is the place or place. Now next, the tally marks. Regarding the frequency, 7 is dash from the following. Now, here the 4 options are given, A, B, C, D, like an MCQ. Now you have to check which tally marks from this represent the number 7. So you know that it is 5 and 1, that is 6 only. 5 and 2 is 7. Here 5 and 5, 10 and 12. And here I make a box and maybe I can take out like that. So you can get confused here because I didn't make a full box, only 4 here. So be careful because the answer is this one, not this one. So answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next question. How many natural numbers are there? How many natural numbers? You know that there are infinitely many. So you can write down unlimited or infinite or infinitely many. You can write down any of those words. Unlimited, infinite, etc. Similarly, if it is like how many whole numbers are there, then we know that whole numbers are also the same, infinitely many. Infinitely many whole numbers are there. Now, another one. Write 37259 in words. This number we have to write down in the word. So now you can see that, check the place, unit digit, tens digit, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So 3 crore. How many lakhs? 72 lakh. How many thousand? 59,000. 59,000. Then 365. 300. 65. You can take another one also. Right. 5603025 in words. Here unit digit tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 56 lakh, only 3,000. 3,025. 3,025, because in the hundreds place also the nothing is there. A line segment whose one end point is center of the circle and the other point on circle is known as blank of circle. You know that in the circle, the line segment whose one end point is at the center, the other is on the circle, it is known as radius. So, answer is radius. The line segment having both endpoints are on the circle is known as dash of a circle. So now when we draw a line segment whose both the endpoints are on the circle, like that one. This is the center, one endpoint and the other point. Then it is known as the chord of the circle. Chord of the circle. Dash is the longest chord of a circle. So in circle, if this chord is passing through the center, that will be the longest and it is known as diameter. So your answer is diameter. So diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So today we are going to finish the session. In next session we will take some more of 1 marks and then maybe a 2 marks question. And it will be followed by PDF. So practice same type of others also so that you can have the practice of it. Thank you very much.